Hello again. Today I will demonstrate to you how solar radiation can be used for low acceleration propulsion. Photons, the smallest particle of light, do not have mass, but do have momentum and can transfer that momentum to objects they strike. The acceleration produced by the sun on a mass is shown in the equation on my right, where capital R is the reflectivity of the spacecraft or solar sail. A is the area of the spacecraft or sail impacted by light. M is the mass of the spacecraft. And R is the distance to the sun. To maximize the acceleration produced by sunlight, you must increase the reflectivity of the spacecraft or sail, increase the area impacted by sunlight, and decrease the mass of the spacecraft. This has been proposed as a method for accelerating spacecraft into deep space over long periods of time. Going to the moon is not deep space, but we will use the Apollo 11 simulation to demonstrate what happens if we make some changes to the spacecraft's properties. So, now open the Apollo 11 example orbit file. Go to the Satellites group box and delete the Lunar Orbit Injection Rocket Burn, which is modeled as a 20-second deacceleration. Then, recalculate the orbit. Note that the spacecraft loops around the moon and returns to Earth. This was a requirement for safety in case the lunar orbit was aborted. Now increase the area exposed to solar radiation to 3,000 square meters. This is effectively the same as adding a large sail. Then, reduce the spacecraft mass to 200 kilograms and set the reflectivity to 1. This reflectivity is equivalent to a highly reflective mirror. Next, check the solar radiation checkbox and recalculate the orbit. Note that the spacecraft crashed on the moon after these changes were made. Since the sun is in the upper left direction of your screen, the spacecraft was pushed toward the lower right and intersected the moon later. It is not a large change in trajectory, but enough to cause a large change in results. For longer distances and times, the change can be significantly large and could propel a small spacecraft to another planet. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful or educational, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. We will be producing new content in the future, so if you want to be notified when new content is added, click on the notification bell. We need your feedback, so please leave comments in the comments section. Goodbye.